Good morning students. Next topic, number of atoms in cubic unit cell. Number of atoms in cubic unit cell. Already you know, in our last video class we learned totally 7 types of primitive crystal systems are given: cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, hexagonal, monoclinic, triclinic, rhombohedral, like that. Out of that 7, in this lesson we are going to learn about only cubic. We are going to learn about only cubic. So in that cubic, in this topic we are going to calculate how many number of atoms present in cubic unit cell. So totally in this 3 types given: one simple cubic, another one body center cubic, third one face center cubic. In simple cubic unit cell, atom present at the corner of the cube only. Totally how many corners are in one cube? Totally 8 corners are in one cube. So atom present at the corner means totally how many atom? 8 atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally 8 atoms present at the corner. Body center cubic unit cell means in this unit cells also atom present at the corner. Additionally, atom present at the center of the body, center of the unit cell, that is this atom. Body center cubic means here also atom present at the corner and also center of the body, center of the unit cell, that is body center cubic unit cell. One is face center cubic unit cell. Face center cubic means actually this is the cube. In this cube totally how many faces are there? Totally how many surfaces are there? This is first 1, 2, the back side is 3 and this side is 4 and above this 5 and below this plane, that is 6. Totally how many surfaces are there? 6 surfaces. Face center means atom present at the center of face. Face means surface. So in this cubic, atom present at the center of face means totally it contains 6 face. Atom present at the center of face means that is called as face center cubic. Please listen carefully. This is cube. Face center cubic means atom present at the center of face. So atom present at the center of the face, like that. In bottom, atom present at the center of face, like that. Inside, atom present at the center of face, like this. Here also atom present at the center of face, like this. In this, like this. In this square, atom present at the center of face, like that. In this square, atom present at the center of face. Totally how many faces are there? 6 faces are there. That only explained in this diagram. See, in this unit cell, these are all corner atoms. Totally how many corner atoms? 8 atoms. In this face, this is center. In this face, this is center, face center, like that. In this face, this is center, like that. In this face, this is center, like that. Here, this is center, like that. In this face, this is center, like that in back side of that cube, that is in this square, this is face. Totally how many faces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Totally 6 faces are there. Just I explain what is simple cubic, what is body center cubic, what is face center cubic. Simple cubic means atoms present at the corner only. Body center cubic means atom present at the corner and also face center. Sorry, body center. Face center means there are also atom present at the corner and also atom present at the center of face. Now we are going to calculate number of atom present in simple cubic, number of atom present in body center cubic and number of atom present in face center cubic. For calculating total number of atom present in cubic unit cell, the formula is Nc by 8. Here N means number of atoms, C means corner, so number of atom at corner, Nc means number of atom at corner, divided by 8. Totally how many atom present at the corner? Number of atom at corner, that is 8. So number of atom at corner, that is total number of atom present at the corner is 8 in simple cubic, divided by 8. 8 by 8 means that is equal to 1. What is the meaning for this one? Totally how many number of atom present in simple cubic? Totally 1 atom. Because see this picture, simple cubic. In simple cubic already we know at the corner only atoms are present. In this cubic, take this corner. In this corner atom present here, but not full atom, only part of the atom. Like that in this corner also atom is present, but not full atom, only part of atom only present. Like this in this corner also one atom is present, not full atom, only part of atom. So from this diagram we can understand simple cubic means atom present at the corner, totally in each cube totally 8 corners are there. 8 corners are there. So at 8 corner 8 atoms are present, but all the atoms are not full atom, only part of the atom. That is only we can understood by using this picture. So the formula is Nc by 8. We can write Nc into 1 by 8. Nc means total number of atoms. Totally how many atoms? 8 corner. So 8 atoms. So 8 into 1 by 8, that is equal to 1. Why here we are multiplied that number Nc into 1 by 8? Because already I told this is the part of atom, not full atom. The size of that part atom is 1 by 8. The size of this part of the atom is 1 by 8. So totally how many? 8 atoms. So 8 into 1 by 8, that is equal to 1. If you are collecting all these 8 corner atom, 8 corner partial atom, means you will get one full atom. That is the meaning for this. If you are collecting all these corner atom together, means you will get one full atom. Sir, how can we know that part of the size of the part of the atom is 1 by 8? Because each atom is shared by eight unit cell. Each atom is shared by 8 unit cell. If you know, if you understand this line, means we can understand the size of the atom is 1 by 8. each atom is shared by 8 unit cell, because each corner atom is shared by 8 unit cell. Just try to understand. See here, this atom is shared by, if here one unit cell is there, means this atom is shared by this unit cell also. So this is the first unit cell and this is the second unit cell. If here one unit cell is there, means that is the third unit cell, because this atom is shared by this unit cell also. And if we place here one unit cell, means this atom is shared by this unit cell also. This is the fourth unit cell. So 1, 2, 3, 4. In this plane, this atom is shared by 4 unit cell. If you place above this unit cell, if you place one unit cell above this unit cell, means that is fifth one. Like that, if you place above this unit cell, means sixth one. If you place above this unit cell, means seventh one. If you place above this unit cell, means that is eighth. So this atom is shared by totally 8 unit cell. Just you can assume, if one suite is shared by 2 students, means each will get 1 by 2. Am I correct? If one suite is shared by 2 unit cell, means each student will get 1 by 2. If one suite is shared by 3 students, means each will get 1 by 3. Like that, if one suite is shared by 4 students, means each will get 1 by 4. Like that, one suite is shared by 8 unit cell, means if one suite is shared by 8 students, means each will get 1 by 8. If one suite is shared by 8 students, means each will get 1 by 8 part of that suite. Like that, if one atom is shared by 8 unit cell, means each unit cell get 1 by 8 part of the atom. So the size of the part of this atom is 1 by 8 only. Like that, the size of this atom is 1 by 8, here 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 1 by 8, and this is 1 by 8. Totally how many 1 by 8? Here 4 and here 4. Totally 8 number of atoms are there. Each atom size is 1 by 8, so only that is equal to 1. In this simple cubic unit cell, already you know simple cubic unit cell means atom present at the corner only. Each corner is occupied by an identical atom. Simple cubic unit cell means corner only atoms are present. So corner is occupied by identical atoms or ions or molecules, and they touch along the edges of the cube. And they touch, that atoms touch along the edges of the cube. Which one is edges? Each line is called as edges. Each line is called as edges. And do not touch diagonally. See this picture for understanding that line. They touch along the edges. See, this is the edge. Both atom touching in this edge. This atom and this atom, both are touching in this edge, but both are not touched diagonally. This is the diagonal. This is the diagonal. This atom and this atom not touching diagonally. In edge unit cell, atoms are touched with each other. Atoms are touched with each other. But diagonally, this is the diagonal. Diagonally, these atoms are not touched with each other. that only given here. They touch along the edges of the cube, but they do not touch the diagonally. Coordination number of each atom is 6. Already explained. How that coordination number of each atom is 6 in simple cubic? I am going to explain that point only. Take this atom. Already I explained what is coordination number. The number of surrounding particles, atoms. So this atom is surrounded by 6 atoms. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 atoms are connected by this line. And above the plane 5 and below the plane 6. So this atom is surrounded by 6 atoms. So that is called as coordination number. These are the atoms present in adjacent unit cell. You know unit cell, basic repeating unit, it is extended in all the 3-dimensional direction, that is x axis, y axis, in z axis. All the 3-dimensional, this unit cell is repeated. So atoms present in adjacent unit cell. These are the atoms present in adjacent unit cell. Number of nearest neighbor surrounding particle. Number of nearest neighbor that surrounding a particle in a crystal is called as coordination number. That is, each atom is surrounded by some number of atoms. That particular number is called as coordination number. Here in simple cubic, each atom is shared by 6 atoms. So the coordination number is 6. Each atom in the corner of the unit cell is shared by 8 unit cells. Already explained. Each atom is shared by 8 unit cells. Therefore, atoms per unit cell is equal to Nc by 8. Total number of atoms present in one unit cell, it can be calculated by using the formula Nc by 8. Already I told Nc into 1 by 8. Nc means number of atoms at the corner. Totally how many atoms present at the corner? 8 atoms. So 8 into the size of the one atom is 1 by 8. So 8 into 1 by 8, that is equal to 1. So in simple cubic, if you collect all the 8 atoms means you will get one full atom. In simple cubic, if you collect all the 8 atoms means you will get one full atom. Next one, body center cubic. Already you know what is body center cubic. I already explained. Body center cubic means atom present at the corner and also center of body. Atom as usual, like simple cubic, here also atom present at the corner. So at 8 corner 8 atoms are present. Additionally, one atom is present at the center of body, that is center of cube, that is called as body center cubic. See this picture, student. Body center cubic, all the 8 corner 8 atoms are present, totally 4, 5, 6, 7. Behind this pink sphere 8 atoms are present. So corner atom is indicated by green color. Additionally, one atom is present at the center of the body, that is this pink color. In this topic, we are going to calculate the total number of atoms present in BCC. In BCC, 2 types of atoms are present. One is corner atom, another one center of body atom. For corner atom, already we know the formula in simple cubic, Nc by 8, plus for body center atom the formula is Nb by 1. Nc means number of atom at corner. Totally how many corners are there? 8 atoms, 8 corners, so 8 atoms are present. So 8 by 8, that is equal to 1. For body center atom, the formula is Nb by 1. Nb means number of atom at body center. Number of atom at a body center. Totally how many atom present at the center of the body? See this picture. Number of atom present at the center of the body. Only one atom is present at the center of body. So instead of Nb we can substitute 1. Nb by 1, that is 1 by 1. Why this Nb is divided by 1 here? Here why it is divided by 8? Because each atom in cube, each atom is shared by 8 unit cell. This unit cell is surrounded by other unit cell in all the 3 directions, x axis, y axis and z axis. So this atom is surrounded by 8 unit cell, so only is divided by 8. From this we can tell why in this point 1 came here, because each atom is shared by only one unit cell. For body center atom, each atom is shared by only one unit cell. See the picture. This atom is present at the center of body, so this atom cannot touch any unit cell. So this atom is shared by only this unit cell only. So only Nb by 1. That is each atom is shared by only one unit cell. So only Nb is divided by 1. Nb means 1. So 1 by 1. So if you collect all the atom present in the center of body center cubic means you will get 2. If you collect all the atom, that is both corner atom and center of the body atom, if you collect both type of atoms means you will get 2 full atom. That is the meaning for this calculation. See this expression. In a body center cubic unit cell, each corner is occupied by identical particle. In addition to that, one atom occupies at the center of body, corner and also body center. Atom present at corner and also body center. Those atoms which occupy the corners do not touch each other. However, they all touch the one that occupies the body center. For understanding these lines, please refer the picture. Corner atoms do not touch each other. But all atom touch with body center atom. All corner atom touch with body center atom. So corner atom do not touch with each other, but all the corner atom touch with body center atom. That point only given. See, corner atom do not touch each other. They all touch that occupies the body center. Hence, each atom is surrounded by 8 neighbors. So coordination number is 8. For simple cubic, coordination number is 6. Here the coordination number is 8. What do you mean by coordination number? The number of surrounding atoms simply. So totally how many atoms surrounded by here? For that also please refer the picture. This atom is surrounded by 8 atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This atom is surrounded by 8 atoms. So the coordination number is 8. Atom present at the body center belong to the particular unit cell, that is unshared by other unit cell. Body center atom present in the one unit cell only, that atom is shared, it is not shared by any other unit cell. That is, this atom is not shared by any other unit cell. For calculating number of atoms in BCC, the formula is Nc by 8 plus Nb by 1, because for body center cubic, atom present at corner and also body center. So this is the formula for corner atom and this is the formula for body center atoms. So Nc, number of atom at corner, so 8 by 8 and number of atom at body center is 1, so 1 by 1. So 8 by 8 means 1, 1 by 1 means 1, so 1 plus 1 2. So totally how many atoms you will get? If you collect all the atom present in the body center cubic mean you will get 2 full atom. This is body center cubic unit cell. Topic. Today's video is over. Remaining we will continue in our next videos. Thank you.